What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Quanell Janae. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If not, thank you for coming back and tuning in with me. Today I will be doing an unboxing for Rossi Nails. They reached out to me and sent me a secret mystery box. So today I'm going to be unboxing this for you guys and showing you what they sent me. Also, if you hear any noise in the background, that's my husband and my son, so please excuse the noise in the background. Also, my setup is different because I am not home right now, but I have to get this video done by a certain date. So it comes like this. Some bubble wrap. And it says Glam Your Nails Secret Mystery Box. And on the side it comes with directions if you need directions on how to do dip nails, as well as some stuff on the back, and as well as their social media handles on this side. So let's see what we got. So if you open it, you see you got your powder and then your 3 bottles right here. Oh, straight. Okay. That's everything from the net box. Let me show you what I got. So this is the color that I got. It's really small. I think it's 10 grams, which is 0.35 ounces. And it's in the shade or the color From Paris with Love. And then it comes with, let's see, it has step 2, 3, and 4. Step 2 is the base coat. Step 3 is the activator. And step 4 is the top coat. So this is everything that came in my mystery kit. And so my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to apply dip powder for the first time, because this will be my first time using dip powder because I've never done dip before. But I'm really excited to try this out. So yeah, if you guys want to see me try out these products, stay tuned for my next video. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys. Bye.